They say luxury whispers, but this one roars. Welcome back to Car Vision X, the channel where legends get reborn. And today, we're stepping into something that completely redefines what a Range Rover can be. Picture this, a matte black masterpiece resting under soft gallery lighting. Its presence so commanding that it doesn't just enter a room, it takes it over completely. This isn't a dealership floor, this is a shrine to obsession, and every angle of this build tells a story of pure dominance. Look at that face. 18 vertical chrome blades forming a grille so bold it borders on architectural, flanked by razor-thin LED daytime running lights that slice through darkness like light through glass. The badge above simply reads Range Rover, but everything about this build says something far beyond factory standard. Walk around to the side, and you'll notice how the body seems to flow endlessly, long, low, and wide, with a silhouette built for both power and elegance, riding on a set of custom multi-spoke wheels finished in a deep gunmetal tone that catches every bit of light around it. Now step inside, and the entire mood shifts. This is where craftsmanship becomes art. Deep espresso leather wraps every surface. Diamond-stitched seats hug you like a tailored suit, and rich walnut wood trim flows seamlessly across the dashboard, like liquid timber frozen in motion. The floating touchscreen glows softly, blending cutting-edge technology with old-world luxury, while brushed metal accents catch the light from every angle. Slide into the rear cabin, and you'll find business-class comfort. Reclining captain's chairs, a private center console, and enough legroom to remind you this isn't just a car, it's a moving sanctuary. Now, let's talk about what truly gives this beast its soul. Pop the hood, and you're greeted by a monstrous V8 engine, twin-turbocharged, engineered for brutal power and refined control. The kind of heart that roars to life the moment you press start and never lets you forget it's there. But this build doesn't stop at what's under the hood. Every inch has been pushed further. A full carbon fiber body kit wraps the lower half of the vehicle. An aggressive rear diffuser slices through the air, and quad exhaust tips finished in gunmetal chrome hint at the raw power waiting to be unleashed. Even the details tell a story. A sculpted carbon spoiler perched on the roofline, a taillight design that stretches elegantly across the rear like a glowing signature, and a set of forged wheels that look like they were carved specifically to make every other SUV on the road disappear into the background. And when this thing moves, it doesn't just drive, it dominates every environment it enters. Watch it slice effortlessly through rain-soaked highways, water spraying from beneath its tires as it commands the wet asphalt with total confidence. Watch it glide across sun-scorched desert straightaways, dust trailing behind it like a storm chasing its own shadow. Watch it carve gracefully through mountain switchbacks, hugging tight curves with a composure that feels almost unnatural for something this size. Watch it cruise through futuristic city skylines, gliding over modern bridges as glass towers rise around it like a scene from tomorrow. And watch it tear confidently through underground tunnels, its headlights cutting sharp lines through shadow and mist. This is more than horsepower. This is more than luxury. This is presence. This is obsession. This is engineering turned into steel, carbon, and leather. Every single detail on this build, from the smallest stitch on the seats to the loudest note from the exhaust, was crafted with one goal in mind: to make sure that wherever this Range Rover goes, it doesn't just get noticed, it gets remembered. So, if you've ever wondered what happens when a legendary nameplate gets pushed to its absolute limit, redesigned without compromise, and rebuilt purely around dominance, you're looking at the answer right now. This is not just another luxury SUV. This is the ultimate Range Rover transformation, and it represents everything we live for here on this channel. If this build hit you the way it hit us, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because here on Car Vision X, we don't just show you cars, we show you dreams, built out of metal, carbon, and pure obsession. Stay with us, because the next build we're about to reveal might just top this one. See you in the next episode.